Configuration management is a crucial aspect of IT infrastructure management that ensures systems are properly configured and maintained in a consistent state. It involves the automation of system setup, configuration, and management processes, reducing the manual effort required to manage large scale infrastructures. By automating these processes, configuration management tools help to reduce errors, increase efficiency, and ensure that environments are consistently configured across various systems. The key configuration management tools that we're going to cover right now are Ansible, Puppet, Chef, SaltStack, and CFEngine. Let's go over Ansible first. Ansible is an open source automation tool used for configuration management, application development, and task automation. It uses a simple human readable language YAML to describe automation jobs, making it easy for users to write and understand automation scripts. Now, the key features of Ansible are its agentless. Ansible operates without the need for agents on the client systems communicating over SSH. Simple syntax uses YAML for playbooks, which are easy to write and understand. Idempotency ensures that changes are only applied when necessary, avoiding unnecessary actions. Extensibility supports custom modules and plugins. Some of the use cases involve automating server configurations, orchestrating multi tier deployments, and managing cloud infrastructure. Here is an example of a YAML configurable file for Ansible where you provide the name, in this case, install and configure Nginx. The hosts are web servers. You specify the task that needs to be done for the deployment process, where it's saying the name of the particular task, the app, which is name and state, again, name of this next one, the service that needs to run. So that's how this particular Ansible is configured using YAML file here. Puppet. Puppet is widely used configuration management tool that automates the management of infrastructure through code. It uses a declarative language to describe the desired state of systems and automatically ensure that they are in that state. Now, the key features include the declarative language. Puppet's domain specific language, which is DSL, allows users to declare the desired state of resources. The next feature is resource abstraction. It abstracts system configuration into manageable resources, making it easier to define configurations. Node classification allows classification of nodes to apply different configurations based on node roles. Reporting provides detailed reporting and logging for tracking changes and compliance. Use cases involve managing large scale infrastructure with diverse operating systems, ensuring compliance and consistency across environments, and automating application deployment. Here is an example of a Puppet file where I've created a class Nginx which has package Nginx and ensure that it's in store. Next, I'm talking about the service Nginx, ensure it's running and enable it to true. The file where the configuration is etc nginx configuration, ensure that file is there, and the content of this is coming from a template file, which is an ERB file mentioned in the path. Chef. Chef is powerful configuration management tool that uses Ruby based DSL for writing configuration recipes. Chef automates the configuration, deployment, and management of infrastructure, enabling organizations to manage servers in a scalable way. The key features include infrastructure as code, uses code to define the desired state of systems. Next one is cookbooks and recipes, organized in cookbooks recipes that define how a particular piece of infrastructure should be configured, which makes your life much easier. Extensible Chef can be extended through custom resources, libraries, and plugins, and also community support, a large community with shared cookbooks and recipes. Use cases involve automating server provisioning and configuration, managing complex heterogeneous environments, and continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. Here is an example of a chef file, which is the Ruby file, where we have specified what package, what to do, action is installed in this particular case. Then this for the service of Nginx, enable it, start it, and then finally the template for the configuration of where it exists, and if something happens notifies the restart with service nginx and end of the file. So this is a particular chef format for configuration of your nginx server. SaltStack. SaltStack, also known as Salt, is an open source configuration management and orchestration tool. It is known for its speed and scalability, using a high speed communication bus to manage thousands of nodes in real time. Some of the key features include event driven architecture, so it supports real time automation and orchestration based on system events. Another feature is flexible architecture, master minion setup with support for both push and pull configurations. It is scalable, so scalability is one of the feature where it's designed to manage large scale infrastructure with high performance. And extensibility supports custom modules, states, and grains. The use case for this particular tool is managing large scale dynamic environments, real time infrastructure automation, and event driven configuration and orchestration. Here is a YAML example of a salt file of a salt configuration. Nginx, where you say package install, give the service running, enable to efficiency is much similar to other ones. And the managed file, you provide the name, source, and require package nginx for this particular case. This is an example of a chef or a salt file for this particular configuration in YAML. CFEngine. Now, CFEngine is one of the oldest configuration management tools, known for its lightweight agent and efficiency in managing large scale infrastructure. It uses a declarative language to define the desired state of the system. Key features involve its lightweight with minimal resource usage, making it suitable for managing large number of systems. Its scalability, designed to manage tens of thousands of nodes efficiently. Has security, uses cryptographic keys for secure communications, and autonomous agents, where agents that can run independently and periodically, enforcing the desired state. Use cases involve managing large distributed environments with minimal overhead, ensuring compliance and security across a large number of nodes, and automating configuration management in resource constrained environments. Example file for a CF engine looks something like this, where you provide a bundle with agent and example. In this particular case, where we have package nginx, policy is present, services that you need nginx, I want policy to be running and require package nginx, and files, I'll provide the configuration file etc nginx ng configuration and copy from a particular path and provide a salt for that particular case and require package nginx in this particular case. So this is how SCF engine works. So to summarize what we have done in this particular video, each of these configuration management tool has its own strengths and is suited to different use cases. Ansible is great for simple agentless setups, while Puppet and Chef are well suited for managing large and complex environments with extensive community support. SaltStack excels in real-time event-driven automation, and CF Engine is ideal for managing large number of nodes with minimal resource usage. By understanding and leveraging these tools, different organizations or you can achieve greater consistency, reliability, and efficiency in managing your IT infrastructure, ensuring that systems are configured correctly and remain in the desired state across diverse environments. If you have any questions in whatever we covered in this particular section on configuration management, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you.